Are you doing a big print and your prints start to lift? Hot glue. Tack them down. Catch them in time. Well, I used Gorilla Glue to tack a couple of prints down because they started lifting after several hours invested in them. So now I have Gorilla Glue on my print surface. So I'm gonna get this off and show you how it's done. Power it on. Next you'll want to heat the bed up to make the Gorilla Glue, hot glue, pliable. So you just go to manual, heat this up. So this will heat the bed up. Once the glue becomes a little bit pliable, hit it with some isopropyl alcohol. I use this. You can get it at any electronics store. It's just starting to heat up now, so perfect. Now I'm going to wipe it down with a paper towel. I just scratch it with my fingernails because it's soft enough to just get the little bits up. Then I'll just wipe it down with a paper towel. And it won't leave residue. Ready for the next print. Here it is after I've cleaned it up, wiped it up with a paper towel. And that was just with isopropyl alcohol. No trouble. It takes about 30 to 45 seconds. All cleaned up. I would, however, suggest that when you print pieces with a brim, maybe double your brim size. That way it doesn't peel up. But that was my problem, is I had too small of a brim. That was the first time I used a brim. I usually use a raft or just nothing at all, so it depends on what I print. Anyways, bigger brim next time, but hot glue helps in a pinch. Won't hurt your print, and it won't hurt your coated bed. See, it has the coating on it, so I never even use a spatula on mine. My spatula's right there, but yeah. Laters.